awesome people, this is Summer Chan and welcome to Buhatan River Cruises.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break.
Today we're here at Buhatan River Cruises to try their water sports such as kayaking. Let's go!
I'll keep dreaming
Sa kabana, kabila. Sige, doon na mag-briefing. Baba mo na ako.
Buhatan River. So you will have your kayak guided tours this morning. I am Edmond Santos. I am the advisor of the River Warriors program. Dito sa Buhatan River, ang SSS natin dito is safety, stability, and speed. Okay? Safety, you are provided individual ng PFT ninyo, personal protection device or life jacket. The Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, Amen.
Spirit, get back and fire for your glory. Amen.
Alright, enjoy the ride. Okay, next, take it away.
Sige, baba lang Sam.
And right now we're here at Buhatan River Cruise and I'm with Nixon. Ayan. And yun, ito try natin ang kayak today which is isa sa mga pinaka-attraction talaga dito sa Buhatan River Cruise. And I'm so excited. Ayan na sila. Nagpapaddle na sila. Together with the Warriors. Hello Warriors! Let's go! Ay, kasaya man.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Feel mo ang sun, ang water, ang view.
About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning.
Hello everyone, I am inviting you all to visit Buhatan River Eco Adventure located here at Barangay Buhatan Sorsogon City. You can experience kayaking, bird watching, firefly watching, and other mangrove activities. So what are you waiting for? Visit now and experience what I've experienced. See you soon. Bye-bye.
And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic,